Alright, so I bought this. It's the 2G LED fog light kit by JDM Astar for my STI. There's 2 pop clips underneath the fog lights, underneath 1 and 2. They come off easily. You just pop them out, they come down. There's a little flap under there. You take out the flap, pull off the fog light bulb, and with the new ones, it's plug and play. Hook it into the harness, bring it back in, turn it clockwise, and you're golden. Now, let's check out the difference, because I got one side done already. What a difference. Stock. Aftermarket. Reason why I'm making this video is because save 25% if you make a video and take some pictures. I can do that. I just made 15 bucks.